Obata Ifeade. One Okuzu. Yes.
Obata Ifeade.
Exactly.
Once he arrives, there is light.
Exactly.
I don't care what PHCN is doing. This young man brings the light anywhere he goes, okay?
Exactly.
Welcome very much. You're
Thank
welcome.
you very much. Thank
Okay,
you
so today we're talking about the role of women in preserving the African culture. What are you doing to support women to preserve that culture?
Well, I don't believe in women preserving you mean the Africa or the world?
The African culture. We are starting
Okay,
from home before we spread to the world.
Well, in that case, I do understand that women play a very vital role in African culture. You know, women they hold keys to most of the African cultures, as you know.
That's very good. So, our chairman has said it all. Women are the one holding the key to preserving this culture. Thank you very much for coming for our event. We hope that you have fun.